Hey everybody. I'm at Wilson Falls in Saint Jerome, Quebec. I was supposed to meet here at 9 o'clock with a friend, so to do some scale filming, if you will. But he had car trouble and he's going to be here a little late, so I thought I'd make a little video. I'm not even sure if I showed you guys properly the setup in my my VW pickup. Basically based on a Gelande II chassis. So have a look. Now I know you've seen this truck in another video, me running it and building it and so on, but I'm not sure if I showed the actual chassis setup. So here goes. It's not screwed on right now, so I can do this. So obviously you got the lighting setups. You can see the bottom of the motor, which it obviously isn't complete, to make room underneath for the chassis. As you can see, it's not quite the same as a Gelande. Check this out. Everything is really low, and the motor is actually right here. So it really clears, it just clears everything. So if you look in here, if I move the suspension, everything just passes. You got the motor mount here, a gear reduction unit here, and it basically is directly coupled with the universal joint right here. Now this truck performs extremely well, even though the body weighs almost 3 pounds. A custom servo mount in the front, keeping everything low so I can put the complete interior. One of my favorite DC characters is the Joker, so why not? Radio, handle, dash, used seats, roll bar, air intake unit up here. Now the lights, these lights are actually from flashlights. They're 22mm dome lens, which I set up the body before printing it so that I can actually use them properly. These are 10mm LEDs. You got some more 10mm LEDs in the back. And my plate. Got another LED up here for the plate. You see I got some damage there from rubbing. So body's printed in 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces. Got the interior, seats and the dash, which are printed. The steering wheel is also printed. I'm going to be redoing this body completely because the Volkswagen pickup has hinges here, and I want to actually make this functional because the pickups, the Volkswagen pickups have the beds, the bed sizes that flip down and the back for much easier access. So I want to cover that as well. Now you get a better view here of where the motor's set up. It's a 3D printed skid plate, transfer case mount. These are Boom Racing fat axles version 2. Wheels are RC 4-wheel drive, simply stripped off and rusted. Got my cantilever suspension in the back. Sky RC Toro 120. This is an amazing ESC. It's not supposed to be waterproof, but it's been dunked a few times in the water. I'm running a RadioLink RC4G radio. It's a pretty good radio. I like it. It's not expensive and it has a lot of features. Basically I can control the light system with the remote as well, and that's pretty much it. This truck has gone through a lot of transformations over the years, and this is pretty much the last one, as I really like it. The body's going to remain the same, it's just going to be updated. So all I got to do now is wait for my friend to show up. I believe he's bringing his LC70, so that should be interesting, although the scales aren't quite the same. This is 110. This body, in order to fit on the Gelande chassis, is approximately 1/8 scale, because the Volkswagen pickup trucks are not really very big. So anyway, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it doesn't really show all that much on video, so it doesn't make a difference. So that's about it. Just wanted to catch up with you guys, and I plan on making a bunch more videos. I got some projects in mind, and hope you guys stick around and watch it. See ya.